Good morning, students. Welcome to class 6, subject mathematics, chapter 14, practical geometry, lecture number 2. First of all, we will recapitulate that we have learned in lecture number 1. In lecture 1, we have done how to construct a circle when its radius is given to us. We have done this example, how to draw a circle when radius is 3 centimeter. What we have done? We have marked a point O as the center of the circle. Okay. Now open the compass of radius 3 centimeter. We have opened it by measuring it with a ruler. Now place the pointer of the compass at O. We have placed our compass at O like this, and it is our 3 centimeter. And then we have swing our compass slowly to draw the circle. After that, we have learned how to draw a line segment, or how to draw a copy of a line, or how to draw a double of a line. Suppose PQ is one line segment which is given to you and you have to make a copy of it. So what we will do first? First of all, we will draw a line L. Okay, draw a line L and mark a point A on it. Now without changing the opening of the compass, means we have opened our compass equal to PQ length. Now without changing the opening of the compass, place the pointer of the compass at A and draw an arc which cut line L at B. Clear? हमने A पे compass रखा, हमारा compass open था equal to length of PQ. Now cut this line L which cut at B. So AB is the copy of PQ. Now see how to make a line segment double of given line segment. Suppose we have given one line segment AB of 3 centimeter. Now how to draw a line which is line segment which is double of AB. So again we draw one line L, mark a point P on it. Open your compass equal to length AB. Place the pointer on P. Draw one arc which cut line L at R. So now PR is 3 centimeter. But we have to make double of it. Again now place the pointer of the compass at R. And with the same opening of the compass, draw one more arc which cut line L at Q. This PQ is double of AB. Now see our today's topics. Today we will do how to construct a perpendicular to a line through a point on it. Perpendicular, you know, perpendicular is making the angle of 90 degree. Okay, so how to construct a perpendicular to a line through a point not on it. When point is given on the line, then how you will draw a perpendicular, okay, to a line which passes through the point. Second, we will do constructing perpendicular to a line segment through a point not on it. Now point is not on the line, it is outside the line. So first we will draw when point is given on line, when point is not on the line. After that we will do constructing perpendicular bisector with ruler and compass. Perpendicular bisector means making 90 degree angle also and dividing the line into two equal parts also. So let us start with the first topic, that is constructing perpendicular to a line through a point on it. It is better if you will also draw with me. So let's start now our first construction. For drawing a perpendicular to a line through a point on it, for this we need to first of all draw a line L. So here I am making draw a line L. Mark a point P on it. Because the point is given now on the line. It is given now. It is there in the question that to a line through a point on it. So this point is on the line. Mark a point P on it. Now with P as a center and taking suitable radius, you have to draw an arc to cut line L at 2 points A and B. Open your compass, okay, of suitable radius. Suitable radius means that it will cut line L at 2 points. Line L को 2 points पे cut करे. Here it is and here it is. So it is cutting this from point P. We have drawn one arc which cut line L at 2 points and give it name A and B. Okay. Now with A and B as a center and taking same radius, or you can take more than half of it. Okay. Like this. Draw two arcs which cut each other at Q. Draw two arcs. One from A and one from B with the same measurement. Let it cut at point Q. Join PQ. We will join PQ like this. Okay. So this PQ is perpendicular to line L. I am repeating again how I have drawn. Draw a line L. Mark a point P on it. Okay. Now with P as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut line L at 2 points A and B. You can draw this arc like this also, complete one like this. Okay, it will cut at 2 points A and B. Now with A and B as a center and taking same radius, you can take same radius also. Draw two arcs, one from A, if you are taking same radius, but there I have taken more than half, and one from B. That's why I have taken more than half, because if I will take same radius na, so it will be near here only. Okay. Take more than half of radius and draw two arcs, one from A and one from B, which cut each other at Q. Join PQ. PQ is perpendicular to line L. Now see its steps of construction. Because here we are constructing. So I have told you in lecture 1 also that whenever construction word is there, you have to write down steps of construction. First is draw a line L and mark a point P on it. Second, after that we have done with P as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut line L at points A and B. After that, with A and B as a center and taking radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs which cut each other at Q. Join PQ. PQ is perpendicular to line L. Okay, so this is the perpendicular when the point is given on the line. Now our second topic is to construct a perpendicular to a line through a point not on it. Now the point is not given on the line. Now see how we will do. Again this, first of all, we will draw a line. This is our line L. Okay. Now mark a point P which is not on it. Let us mark it here. Mark a point P not on it. Now with P as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut line L at 2 points A and B. Same is there as we have done in first. Only the difference is in first point is given to us on line L and now point is outside. Now see, here I have drawn one arc which cut line L at 2 points. Let us give it name A and B. Now again open your compass. More than half of AB. It is more than half of AB only. Draw one arc from A and one from B on the opposite side of B to cut the previous arc. One arc from A and one arc from B which cut the previous arc. Okay. Give it name Q. Remember, you will draw this arc on the other side of P, on the opposite side of P. Join PQ. Join PQ. Now PQ is perpendicular to line L. Clear? Now see its steps of construction. Draw a line L and mark a point P not on it. This we have done. This is line L. We have marked a point P outside the line. With P as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut line L at 2 points A and B. With P as a center means you have to keep the pointer of the compass at P. Okay. Now draw an arc in such a way that it will cut line L at 2 points A and B. Give name A and B. Now open your compass. More than half of AB. AB का आधे से ज़्यादा, इतना भी हो सकता है, इतना भी, बट मोर देन हाफ ऑफ AB और AB के इक्वल भी हो सकता है. ओके, फिर देन विद A and B as a center and taking radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs which cut each other at Q on the other side of point P. हमने A और B दोनों से आर्क्स लगाए थे on the other side of P so that they will cut each other at point Q. Then join PQ. PQ is perpendicular to line L. This is perpendicular when the point is given outside the line. Now we will do one question of exercise 14.4, that is question number 3. It is draw a line L and mark a point X on it. Draw a line L. Let us do first of all this. Let's draw the line L. This is line L. Mark a point X on it. We have marked. Now through X, draw a line segment XY perpendicular to L. We have to make a perpendicular which passes through L. Means when point is given on the line. This we have done just now. So let us make one perpendicular which passes through X. And we have to give name XY to that perpendicular. So what we need to do? We have to open our compass of suitable measurement in such a way that it will cut line L at 2 points. Give it name A, B. Now open your compass. More than half of AX. AX का आधे से AB का आधे से ज़्यादा. More than half of AB. Draw one arc from B and one arc from A. Okay. Let it cut at point P. Let it give it name P. Join XP like this. Okay. But it is said that XY is perpendicular to L. So what you will say? Give here somewhere name Y. So now XY is perpendicular to L. Okay. हमें इसे Y नाम देना है. So we have given XY. XY is perpendicular to L. Now one more question is there in this question. Now draw a perpendicular to XY at Y. Now you have to draw one perpendicular on this line. At Y means which passes through Y. Okay. Use ruler and compass. Same thing we will follow. Same steps are there. Now place your compass on Y. Draw one arc in such a way that it will cut XY at 2 points. One is here and one here. Okay. 2 points पे cut किया. Give it name CD. CD. Open your compass. Now more than half of CD. ऐसे ही करते हैं ना? We have done the same. Now we will open the compass more than half of CD. C. Now one arc from C and we will draw one arc from D. Okay? Shall I repeat? C. It is given in the question that now you have to draw the perpendicular XY perpendicular to XY at Y. At Y means that it will passes through Y. Y के ऊपर 90 degree का angle you have to draw the perpendicular. So what we will do? We will produce this line. Now from Y, open your compass. Place the pointer on Y and open your compass that it will cut, draw one arc which will cut XY at 2 points C and D. Open your compass now more than half of CD. From C draw one arc. From D draw one more arc which cut each other at, let it be F. Okay. Let they cut F. Now join YF. C. Join YF. Okay. So YF is perpendicular to XY at Y. Now see how to write down its steps of construction. As we have drawn, in the same way we will write its steps also. Draw a line L and take a point X on it. Second, with X as a center and convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting line L at 2 points A and B. Fine. We have drawn one arc which cut line L at 2 points A and B. Now, with A and B as a center and taking radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs which cut each other at P. We have taken radius more than half of AB, okay, or we can take equal to AB also. Draw two arcs which cut each other at P. Join PX and produce it to Y. उसे ऊपर तक ले गए so that it will go up to Y. Then XY is perpendicular to line L. Now we have to draw one more perpendicular at Y. So same steps we will follow. Now with Y as a center and taking convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting XY at point C and D. With C and D as a center and taking same radius, draw two arcs which cut each other at F. Join YF, then YF is perpendicular to XY at Y. Y पे बोला है ना उन्होंने, so it is passing through Y. Now our third topic is to construct a perpendicular bisector with ruler and compass. Means it will make 90-degree angle also and it bisect the line into two equal parts also. So now see how we will do this. First of all, draw a line segment AB. Here we are making the line segment because we have to bisect it in two equal parts. So I am making my line segment of 8 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB of any length. Now with A as a center and taking radius more than half of AB, draw arcs on each side of AB. Open it more than half. Okay. Now from A, draw two arcs. One here on both sides of AB it is there. And one here like this. दोनों साइड आपको AB के arcs draw करने हैं. Now don't change the compass. Compass will remain as it is. Now with B as a center and taking same radius, draw two more arcs which cut the previous arcs at point C and D. Okay, join CD. Join CD. CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. Let me show you. See, this half portion is 4 centimeter and this half is also 4 centimeter. Total I have taken 8 centimeter. So here it is making 90-degree angle also, perpendicular also, and dividing line AB, line segment AB into two equal parts also. See its steps of construction now. Draw a line segment AB of any length with A as a center and taking radius more than half of AB. Radius means you will open your compass more than half of AB. Draw arcs on each side of AB. हमने AB के ऊपर भी आर्क लगाया, नीचे भी. Now with B as a center and taking same radius, draw two more arcs on each side of AB which cut previous arcs at C and D. Again we have drawn two more arcs from B, okay, which cut the previous arcs at C and D. Join CD. CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. You can check it by actual measurement also. Let us do now one more question of exercise 14.5, question number 4. It is draw a line segment of length 12.8 centimeter. So let us draw one line segment AB equal to 12.8 centimeter. Then it is using compass divided into 4 equal parts. 2 equal parts means perpendicular bisector. But now we have to do 4 equal parts. Okay. And then it is asked verify it by measurement. Now see how we will draw. First of all, we will draw one line segment AB equal to 12.8 centimeter. This is 12.8 centimeter. As the measurement is given to us, so we will not draw the arrows. 12.8 centimeter. We have to draw it, divide it into 4 equal parts. Now first of all we will divide it into 2 parts. पहले 2 parts में divide करेंगे तभी तो 4 पे आएंगे. Now open your compass more than half of AB. Okay. Draw one arc from A on both the side of AB like this. Without changing your compass, now draw one more arcs, 2 more arcs which cut the previous arcs. 2 और आर्क लगाई हमने जिन्हें पहले वाली आर्क्स को कट किया. Give it name. Let us join these 2 arcs. It has divided AB line segment into 2 parts. Give it name C. Now AC is equal to CB. Or we can say AC is half of AB. Okay. Now same procedure we will follow with AC. This AC we will again divide it into 2 equal parts. Open your compass more than half of AC. Draw 2 arcs from A on both the side of AC. One above AC line and one below AC line. Now with the same radius from C we will do. One from here and one from here which cut the previous arcs. Join them. Join them. Give it name D. Now this line, this D point is bisecting AD AC into two equal parts. इस D पॉइंट ने AC को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. सेम वी विल फॉलो नाउ विद CB. More than half of CB. Two arcs from C, one over CB and one below CB. Now with same radius, two more arcs. One from B on the upper side and one from the lower side. Now join these 2 points. Okay, give it name E. Now see, this line segment 12.8 centimeter is divided now in 4 equal parts. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. You can check it, you can verify it by actual measurement. See, this is 3.2 centimeter. This is also 3.2 centimeter. This is also 3.2 centimeter. And this one is also 3.2 centimeter. And you can see that when we divide 12.8 by 4, as we have to divide it into 4 equal parts now, so we have to divide it by 4. So it is 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So we have to get the measurement of 3.2 centimeter. Means we have done it correct. Fine. Now see your homework. Your homework is to do exercise 14.4, question 1 and 2, and exercise 14.5, question 1, 5 and 6 in fair notebook. Again I am saying, if the word construct is there, then you have to write down steps of construction, and if it is draw only, then there is no need to write down steps of construction. But I will suggest you to write down steps of construction now, so that it will be practice for you. Okay, you will not feel then any problem while writing the construction. Now it's time for homework solution of lecture 1. I have given you of exercise 14.1, question number 1, 2 and 4. First is, draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. I don't think so there is any problem in this question. Second, with the same center O, draw two circles of radius 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. So what you have to do? You have to draw two circles, and center will remain same. One is of 2.5 centimeter. So you have to open your compass. 2.5 centimeter, and then draw one circle. Okay, now with the same center, you have to draw one more circle of radius 4 centimeter. So now we will open our compass. Equal to 4 centimeter. This is our center of the circle.